A high-yield savings account is a good option, providing some interest while keeping your money accessible. Ally and Marcus by Goldman Sachs offer competitive rates. Review and adjust regularly. Regularly review your budget and savings progress. Life changes, such as a new job or moving, may require adjustments to your savings goal. Stay disciplined. Building an emergency fund requires discipline and commitment. Stay focused on your goal and remember the peace of mind and security it will bring. Top apps and tools for building an emergency fund. Mint, a comprehensive budgeting app that tracks your expenses and helps you stay on top of your financial goals. YNAB, you need a budget, focuses on helping you allocate every dollar towards specific goals, including your emergency fund. Chime, a mobile banking app that makes it easy to automate your savings and track your spending. Capital, uses goal-oriented saving techniques such as rounding up purchases to the nearest dollar and saving the difference. Truebill, helps you identify and cancel unwanted subscriptions and manage your finances effectively.